Good morning all of you. In the last class we have started the quantity calculation of brickwork in superstructure, and under that we have calculated the quantity of brickwork in superstructure, the gross quantity of brickwork in superstructure. And today we will do the deduction part in order to get the net quantity of brickwork in superstructure. So let us move to the details of measurement form. So in the details of measurement form, under the same item of work, write down deduct. Then under deduction write down door openings, because we have to deduct the portions where there is no brickwork. That means door opening, window opening, shelf, lintels over door, window and shelf. So those portions where there is no brickwork, we have to deduct those portions. So let us first deduct the door openings. So for dimension of the door, the details of door, we have to move to the plan and section of the building. So you can see here, this is the door opening, which is of 1.2 by 2.1 meter. So there are two numbers of door. So D, the number will be 2. Then the length will be 1.2. The length of the deduction will be 1.2. That is the length of the door opening. Breadth will be 0.3 meter. That is the width of the brickwork in superstructure. And height or depth is equal to 2.1. That is the height of the door opening. Similarly, for window, so you can see here there are 10 numbers of window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 numbers of windows of size . So the size of the window is, here you can see it is given as 1 by 1.5 meter. So length of the deduction will be 1, the breadth will be 0.3 and the height or depth is equal to 1.5. Clear? So let us move to the details of measurement form. So see here, door opening number is 2, length is 1.2, breadth is 0.3, depth is 2.1. Then by multiplying all these columns, we will get the total quantity of door opening is 1.51 cubic meter. Similarly for windows, there are 10 numbers of window. Length is 1, breadth is 0.3, depth is 1.5. Then by multiplying all these, we will get the total quantity as 4.50 cubic meter. Then we will move to the CS window. That is clerestory windows. So you can see here there are CS windows which are provided above the windows as well as door. These are the CS windows. So here there are 12 numbers of CS windows which is of size 1 meter by 0.5 meter. Here you can see it is the size of the CS window, 1 by 0.5. So length of the opening will become 1, breadth is 0.3 and depth is equal to 0.5 meter. Clear? Then we will move to the shelf. So for shelf, there are, next we will do the deduction for the shelf opening. So there are two numbers of shelf which is of size 1 meter by 1.5 meter. Okay. See here, this is the size of the shelf. So length of the opening will become 1. Breadth of the opening for shelf will become 0.2, because on the back of the shelf there is a 10 centimeter thick wall. Therefore the breadth of the shelf opening will be 0.2 and depth will be equal to 1.5. Clear? So next we will move to details of measurement form. So see here, this is the CS window. Number is 12, length is 1, breadth is 0.3, depth is 0.5. Similarly for shelf, two numbers of shelves are there, length is 1, breadth is 0.2, depth is 1.5. So next we will go for the calculation of lintels which is present over these openings. So first we will do the calculation of lintel which is present above door. So the specification of lintel is given as, you can see, refer the sectional diagram. Here it is written as 10 cm RB lintel. So the thickness of the lintel is given as 0.10 meter. So what will be the length of this lintel over door? As the door opening is given as 1.2, so the length of the lintel will be 1.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. So this 0.1 is the bearing of the lintel on both the sides. So the length will become 1.4. Breadth will become, breadth of the lintel will be breadth of the superstructure wall, that is 0.3, and thickness is given as 0.1. Similarly, we can calculate the dimensions over window, CS window and shelf. Clear? So then for window, this is the dimension of door. So for window, what will be the length of the lintel? So the opening of the window is 1 meter. So in the same manner, we will add 0.1 and 0.1 bearing on both the sides. So this will give you the length of the lintel over window, that is 1.2. And the width become 0.3, depth is 0.1. Clear? Similarly for CS window, the opening of the CS window is given as 1 meter. So on both sides 0.1, 0.1, add 0.1 and 0.1. So the length of the lintel over CS window will become 1.2. Similarly, you can go for calculation of shelf. So the opening of the shelf is given as 1 meter. So on both sides we will add the bearing. So this will give you the length as equal to 1.2. So let us move to the details of measurement form. So see here, lintel over door, bearing, in the remark column write down bearing 10 cm. So as opening of the door is 1.2, with this we will add 0.1 and 0.1 on both sides, which will give you the length of lintel as 1.4. Number is 2. Breadth is 0.3. Depth is 0.1. So by multiplying all these, we will get the total quantity as 0.084 cubic meter. Similarly for windows, there are 10 numbers of window. Length of the window is, length of the window opening is 1. So with this we will add bearing on both sides. So this will give you 1.2. Breadth will be 0.3. Depth will be 0.1. Similarly for CS window. For CS window, the opening is also 1. So on this we will add bearing on both sides. So this will give you the length as 1.2. Breadth will become 0.3. Depth is 0.1. Similarly for shelf, there are 2 numbers of shelf. So length will become, now also the opening of the shelf is 1 meter. So on both sides we will add 0.1 meter on both sides. So this will give you 1.2. Breadth 0.3, depth 0.1. So now you will add all the items which are written under deduction. So the total quantity of this deduction is 9.36 cubic meter. So now next we will subtract this quantity from the gross quantity of the brickwork in superstructure. So this will give you the net quantity of the brickwork in superstructure item, that is 30.10 cubic meter. Clear? So with this we have completed the item, that is the quantity calculation of brickwork in superstructure. So in the next class we will do the quantity calculation of RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete. Thank you.